Hello, my name is Indra. I came from Jakarta, Indonesia, and this is Sunday morning. I have just finished cleaning my small fish tank in the back of my house. Uh, as you can see, there's only a few goldfish in my uh, fish tank. There's my Ranchu, there's my Demakin, there's my Ryukin, there's my Oranda, and the two small Demakin below the tank. I'm quite picky about fish, so I'm not gonna buy any fish. That's why my collection is quite small in numbers. And this is one that I'm gonna show you this time on my first video ever on YouTube. This is my single layer Ranchu. Okay guys, I already put it in my small aquarium now, so you can see it with more clearly how it looked like from beside. It's very funny and very good shape, I think, because it only has a single layer back fins, not like any ranchu normally. I never uploading a video before to YouTube, but this time I feel it. You have to see it, guys. I want to show it to you because it's very funny and quite rare to see. Maybe it gonna be like this if a ranchu has only one single layer back fins like koi. There's a story about it actually. I bought it in Pasar Jatinegara or Jatinegara Market. It's a traditional pet market in Jakarta, Indonesia, and I bought it with quite cheap price. There's a lot of Ranchu and Oranda there, so I believe the seller didn't notice that one of them is unique. This Ranchu has only uh, have one single layer back fins, and he gave me a quite cheap price. It's 10,000 rupiah. Do you guys know my currency? Indonesian rupiah? 1 US dollar is similar to 13,000 rupiah. So 10,000 rupiah is not even $1 in USD. This price is only maybe 90 cents. So I hope you're not jealous on me because here in Indonesia we have plenty of natural resources. Uh, One of them is fish. So here you can buy with a very cheap price, not like in overseas.